3 reasons to switch your Dynamics 365 consultant. Is your current Dynamics 365 consultant enabling you to harness the full potential of the platform? It might be time to switch. Here are 3 reasons to why. Reason 1. Lack of industry expertise. Each industry has unique requirements. If your current vendor is offering a one-size-fits-all solution, it's time to switch to a better consultant. Reason 2. Limited support and responsiveness. Your business can't afford delays in responses. Choose a reliable consultant who is accessible when you need them the most. Reason 3. Ineffective customization. Every consultant knows how to customize the platform, but they need to know what needs to be done. A good consultant will customize the platform, aligned with your long and short-term objectives. If your Dynamics 365 consultant isn't hitting these marks, it's time to change. Get the industry knowledge, support, and customization you need. Contact Evolvous and get ready to evolve with purpose.